Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the ZAMIS 37 Key Mini electronic keyboard. This instrument is presented as a fantastic option, particularly for those just starting their musical journey, whether they are young students or adults exploring a new hobby. The manufacturer highlights its construction, noting that it's made from environmentally friendly and durable materials. The fine workmanship and smooth edge design are emphasized, suggesting it's built with care, which is always a plus, especially for instruments intended for younger users or beginners who are still getting a feel for things. One of the key benefits mentioned is its role in cultivating interest and hobbies in music from an early age and stimulating sensitivity to musical sounds. This little keyboard aims to be more than just a toy. It's positioned as a tool for musical development. Feature-wise, it comes equipped with a built-in speaker and, importantly, volume control, allowing users to adjust the sound level. There's also a headphone output, which is incredibly useful for practicing without disturbing others. A must-have feature for any beginner instrument. The physical design is noted as small in size, making it easy to carry around, which is convenient for students who might need to transport it. The keys themselves are described as being at the same height and having a certain concave feel. This specific design choice is highlighted as something that enhances fingering practice, helping beginners develop proper technique. The brand, ZAMIS, also mentions their customer support, offering contact within 24 hours for questions and providing free parts if the keyboard arrives severely damaged. Overall, this ZAMIS 37-key electronic keyboard appears to be designed with the beginner in mind, offering essential features like a speaker, headphone jack, and thoughtful key design in a portable package, aiming to make the first steps into music both accessible and enjoyable.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.